Hey guys, Stuart here. Welcome back to another Sheetify tutorial. Today's focus is to dive into Sheetify Bookkeeping and share how you can manage your tax inside this Google Sheets Bookkeeping toolkit. Before we do that, if you're interested in learning more about our Google Sheets business toolkits, like our Sheetify CRM, bookkeeping, and projects, I will add the relevant resources, links, and video tutorials down below in the description. Okay, so diving into Sheetify Bookkeeping, let's navigate over to Setup down below. Then under Setup, you can see your income categories as well as expense categories. Here you can add the automatic tax bracket for your expense taxes as well as for your income and sales taxes. Now again, if you want to dive deeper into Sheetify Bookkeeping, I will add a dedicated tutorial up above and down below in the description for you to check out. This tutorial will take you through all the different tools and features that you can leverage inside of Sheetify Bookkeeping. Okay, so back inside this setup page, here you can add your income tax and you can change this to anything that you like. You can also completely remove the tax and do the same with expense tax. Now, if we navigate over to income, for example, we have Google Ads here. This is a service that we sell. If I click on category and select web service, the tax amount is automatically going to be added here. And then you can see your net income over here. So this is automatically added based on the tax rate for web service, which is 20% here. If we navigate over to expenses, we have the same here, large screens. Let's change the category to, let's say, cost of goods sold. And you can see the total amount, the tax amount, and the net expense. Again, the tax is automatic based on the category over here. Then if we navigate over to our different dashboards, you can see the total amount of tax per category under income as well as expense. And you'll see the data generated across all your different dashboards. If we click on sales tax, again, you can see the calendar year up here. You can see the total tax collected versus paid. And again, you can see those figures down here, tax collected, tax paid between the different months. This is just an example, so I only have figures for June and July. If we navigate across, you can see the total and difference here. Now with each of these reports, for example, let's say you wanted to download this tax report. You can simply navigate up to Sheetify, then Reportify, and then click on Send Sales Tax. And that's going to send a PDF report to your email of your sales tax. And that's going to look something like this. If you did not receive the email, simply navigate over to Setup and navigate down to the bottom to Reporting Email and add your email in here. However, that is everything that I wanted to cover in this tax tutorial for our Sheetify Bookkeeping template. If you got value, make sure you leave a like and subscribe, and that way I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everyone.